Look at this cute pig. This is Nelly. Nelly the baby girl. Look at her. Can you show everyone how you do your whistle? Do your whistle. Show everyone how you do your whistle with your mouth. Do it. Come here, hey. Come here. I'll give you a snack. You want a snack? Look at her lips. You want a snack? Come here, do it. You're so cute. Hold on, Daddy will give you a snack. Hold on, Daddy got you. Let's see if you'll have an apple. Maybe. Hey, you got my thing. Honey, here. Come on. Look, she took a bite out of it. Honey, don't bite Daddy's stuff. Honey. Honey, I'm trying to feed you. You're crazy. What a cute pig, huh? That's my honey. She's a little crazy, but she's still my honey. That's Nelly the pig. Look at her licking her lips. Look at her. Come here, Nelly. Easy. Can you be easy to Daddy? Here. Hold on. Let's make a safe situation here so no one loses their fingers. I got it. Here we go. Honey, you're fucking crazy. Here. I threw it down there. I love you. You're so pretty. Look at that pretty girl. She's so pretty. You find your apple? It's down there, pumpkin. Well, that's Nelly the pig.